Hey, 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 what is up, everyone? It's your boy Harriet, and it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for another bold BMX review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today we are going to take a look pansamantala, temporary. This is the latest BMX offering from our guys at Biba. It is starring, okay, the one on the left most, the woman here in the black bikini is Paula Santos. The one on the orange bikini is Athena Red. The one on the yellow bikini is Karen Lopez, and the dude at the background is John Mark Marsha. We also have not in picture Rian Rivera. Bagito siya dito sa BMX, and I gotta hand it to her. She stood out. Baka kasi yung choker na suot-suot niya sa buong pelikula and her pigtails. But I want to see more of the choker as part of her gimmick sa mga susunod pang BMX movies. And boy oh boy, dito sa BMX, dito sa BMX, I had least expectations on this movie such that nasabi ko, if I have less info to talk about Pansamantala, I would have just talk about the St. Tondas Files sa dulo. But I I stooped low on my standards with this movie, on sa expectations ko, and it worked so well. It's one of the parang best gunner bait movies na nakita ko sa BMX so far. So when I say gunner bait movies, ito yung mga pelikula na mapapa-jacks ka sa sarap. Okay? What do I mean, jacks? You have to play with your little birdie para masatisfy ka. Okay? And this is one of the movies na nasatisfy ako. It is very pleasing. Pleasurable siya. And, wala siyang wala siyang etche bureche. Okay? Na flop na there's romantic movies, tapos may plot twist for the sake plot twist. No, it's just sex. Okay? And I think that is the beauty of this movie na napanood ko dito sa BMX. Okay. So, who are we going to talk about here? Sino yung medyo stood out? Yeah, Rian Rivera is my performer dito. Like, she is the top tier performer para sa akin sa pelikulang ito. And another thing na masasabi ko is this is Athena Red's most least conservative movie that I've seen. Anything na involves si Athena Red, she doesn't have her nipples suck, okay? She doesn't have her body slick. She didn't do extreme things. But here, she is doing extreme things. So, the beginning of this movie involves Nate here. Nate the Hate. Okay? Si John Mark Marsha at si Athena Red. And this is the first time that I've seen na parang medyo, hindi naman hardcore. It's still softcore porn. But the mature scene for Athena Red on this level of sexual impunity na binigay ni Athena Red here is maximum in sa mga standards, okay? Sa mga compared sa mga huling pelikula niya. Dito, you see, like that. And I admire John Mark Marsha. He made some weight gain. Okay? Medyo, siya, uli ko siya nakita, ang payat-payat niya eh. Ito yung tipong matinee idol. Okay? So, Nate here is having sexy time with Athena Red's character. Pangalan ng karakter niya ay Jessa. Then, Jessa proceeds to introduce Nate sa kanyang tropa. Si Marian, si Aiko, and si Trixie. played by Karen Lopez, Paula Santos, and Rian Rivera in that particular order, respectively. And then Nate gets a text with Marian, si Karen Lopez, and then we know how Karen Lopez operates, okay? Medyo, ano siya, wild rin siya makipagtalik. Pumapayag siya sa mga lalaki na suhip-sip sa kanyang nipples. And that is what she did here. I think Karen overperformed this as well. That part where Nate unzips the bra of Marian to uncover it, that was very well put put out. And I applaud it na yeah, it's uh it's one of those things that gave my junior one of that made my junior really really hard. You know, it's a fun movie. It's a fun sex scene to watch. And then we get the next one. When Nate met Marian, Aiko, and Trixie, Nate actually had some type of interaction. So for Marian, he got a text. For Aiko, it is Nate who texted Aiko. Aiko went into his room, and even though yung parang pagtatalik nila is very short, it's also satisfying. I remember Paula Santos in the movie Barurot. She is the one yung nagsuot ng Wonder Bra. And dito walang Wonder Bra. It's kita yung buto niya eh. Banat buto eh. It's like I pulled my upper muscle seeing Paula Santos do sexy scenes with John Mark Marsha. And of course, the the star of the night, Rian Rivera, Strixie. Ang interaction dito, nag-like siya sa Instagram ni Nate. Tapos nakita sila sa veranda ng tinutuluyan nilang resort. And then, Nate just started groping on Rian Rivera's breasts. Rian Rivera proceeded with the BJ, the Buko Juice of the Lifetime. Yung paborito, yung isang eksena. And then, they're just kissing, licking, sucking them nips. Like, it's no tomorrow. Ang magandang scene dito is kinalabit pa ni Nate yung utong ni Trixie. Kinalabit ni John Mark Marsha yung utong ni Rian Rivera. I like to see Rian Rivera get more of the spotlight. That choker that she is wearing through the whole movie, I like her to keep it. It made her stand out. Kasi here in this cover photo, there are only three girls. Rian Rivera is not even here. But when you watch the movie with the pigtails and the choker, she stood out among the other three girls. And then nahuli ni Athena Red, nahuli ni Jessa na nagpo-foursome si Nate, Maren, Aiko, and Trixie. And this is where Athena Red starts to accept na hindi siya mahal ni Nate. And then Nate went to Athena Red's room. Nate went to Jess's room for some apologizing sex, and it's still hot. And then we proceed to the grand finale. This is where stuff came out, and I was really freaked out. At ito ay yung nagtalik si Athena Red, si Rian Rivera, si Paula Santos, and si Karen Lopez in one huge four lesbian girl foursome where they are scissoring, where there are wine tasting. It's such a beauty. Ah, I've never had fun watching a BMX movie. The only thing that is wrong with this movie is there are some still flop, like yung nag-shower itong si Athena Red. I think that would have cut a bit on the movie. But anything else here, I would consider it a hit. So, my friends and family, let's go to our tier list. And for our tier list right here, we are officially giving Si Ashley Lopez to, sa kasi ano, no? Halos Karen Lopez rin yung isa eh. We are officially giving pansamantala the Gunner Bait category. It's Premier Gunner Bait. It's one of the better movies so far. Better sexy movies so far. And I did promise I want to talk about the Saint Paul's, but I was wrong. And I'm a bit tired because stuff came out and I was really freaked out. So sorry. Maybe another time. Maybe we could check the Saint Paul's pag nag-aayuno ako. And then next week, next Friday, next Tuesday, we will be taking a look at the first non-bold BMX film, which is Tenement, and then Friday is Sex Trip. Woo! And this is your boy Harriet. Thank you for watching. Peace.